I've tried a lot of makeup the last few months, so I'm going to share my May favorite. We'll start with eyes, and I have both Drugstore and Highend. So first off, I've been using these for a couple months, and you've seen me do videos. These are the LA Girl Cloud 9 eyeshadows. This is the Breezy Nude one. These are really great if you're a beginner. And this is Airy Taupe. I'll do some swatches for you. So this is Breezy Nude, and this is Airy Taupe. They're almost like a cushiony feeling, but there's no fallout. So if you're a beginner, they're super easy to use, and you're never gonna be putting on too much pigment. They're very forgiving, and they're very affordable. Next up is Morphe. These were their spring releases. This is their mini artistry palette, and I know that they just had a few new releases. You just can't go wrong with Morphe. There's just so many fun colors and themes, and I've done a bunch of looks with Morphe eyeshadows, and they're super affordable. Next up are some brushes. I ordered these eyeshadow brushes from Jessup Beauty. These are just a couple of them. They're on Amazon. They're really affordable, especially if you're just getting into makeup or you're not sure what to buy. You can play around with these, and you'll kind of find which type of brush you like best. Next up, this is a brand new release. The colors and the pigment and everything is just beautiful. This is the new Danessa Myricks Freedom palette. These are really gorgeous shades, and if you haven't used the Danessa Myricks shimmer shade, you're missing out. I did a look on this with this palette too. She always has sales on her website, so if you're really liking something from her, you can always wait till she has a sale. And then she's also in Sephora. Next up, we can do some skin products or foundation. So this is the Givenchy Prism Libre foundation. It's really great. It's dewy. If you have more dry skin, I would say this is a medium to light coverage, but that's the kind of foundation I like. So if you like really light or full coverage, you might not like this, but this is really great, especially because I get really dry right here. I have texture, and it doesn't emphasize any of that. And this is the shade 2N. This is their Glow Serum Foundation. Now, if you're not looking for a new foundation, but you're looking to get that summer glow or something just to liven up your skin, you have to check out Guy's Danessa Myricks. They're the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. She has 3 shades. I love the pink color for me, and I like this is the Main Squeeze. This is Fresh Pressed, and then she also has a deeper one, but I can actually wear the deeper one too. It's just kind of whatever look you're going for, but it just gives you this like really glowy, dewy, healthy radiance. Another dewy, this isn't new, but I did pick it up at the Sephora sale, and I got a big one. This is the Iconic London, their Illuminator. This is the original one. If you're looking for that glow in summer, put this under some foundation and you really can't go wrong. Like, it's not glitter, it's shimmer. And you can use this under or over foundation, and it just melts into the skin. And I feel like there's been a million contour products coming out lately, but this Anastasia Beverly Hills one is a true contour color. She has a bunch of different shades. This is the shade Shadow, and if you're looking to do some serious contour, this is a great option. And then it's like a contour slash bronzer. This is the Victoria Beckham Contour Stylist. This is very expensive, but this is perfect if you want to do like a little nose contour or, around your eyes. And she has a bunch of different colors as well. I'll have to look up what shade I got, but it doesn't say it here. But it's really great. So this is the Victoria Beckham, and then I'll just show you a comparison, because that you can use, like I would say, contour slash bronzer, but this one, so that's the difference. That's Victoria Beckham, and that's Anastasia Beverly Hills. So see how that's much cooler? That's a real like shadow color, and that's the Victoria Beckham. And then moving on to bronzer, this one from Dior, it's amazing. It's almost like, it's not cream, it's definitely powder, but it's a very interesting formula. Like, there's no powder that like puffs out or anything. The colors lean warm. The lighter shades ended up being too orange for me, so this is 30 Tan Matte. If you're like similar shade as me, Like, see, I'm swirling it around, but there's nothing that comes up. And it just makes your skin look airbrushed. So if you want to treat yourself, definitely check that one out. Another bronzer, cream bronzer, is the Sarah Creole one. This is super beginner friendly. She makes makeup that is geared towards 40 plus. So if you have dry skin, mature skin, definitely check out her line. I tried the concealer. I'm not 100% sure on this, but the bronzer, definitely good. It's very, very creamy, easy to use. So, and then I feel like it was the year of blushes. So I have a lot of those, and there was a ton of new releases the last few months. So first up, Rare Beauty. This is the shade Happy. I have the cream version in Happy, and it really is a perfect shade. And these are like cushiony, so you can like push your finger into them, but they are powder. And then Tower 28. This is definitely powder, but if you want long lasting, if you want a little bit of a blur, try this out. Long Beach Iced Tea. This is like perfect if you want that more, I just came back from the beach and I have like, it's almost more like a bronzer color. So that's iced tea. Long Island iced tea. And then an affordable option that came out is the Morphe blushes. They have 3 blushes, powder, a highlighter, and cream. This is the shade Blind Date. And that's actually what I'm wearing right now. Cream, highlight, powder. So they're very buildable. That's just, these are not the best swatches probably, but you get the idea. Oh, I forgot an eye product. So mascara. I do not buy high-end mascara. They just are always terrible. The drugstore does it better. Makeup by Mario, he killed it. This one is worth every penny. It's a clean mascara. It makes your eyelashes look so thick and long. Like if you like the Too Faced Better Than Sex, or if you like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, this is the same type of look. And the L'Oreal Lash Paradise is one of my all-time favorite mascaras ever. High-end and drugstore. So good job, Makeup by Mario. Eyebrow product. Now I have thick eyebrows, so I don't need much and don't use a ton of eyebrow product, but this NYX glue, it's the brow glue in the shade Taupe. If you like that laminated look, or if you don't like the laminated look but you want your eyebrow hair to stay up, just like wipe it off. That's what I do. I just wipe the brush off and then brush it through my hair, and my eyebrows aren't going anywhere. This is really great one. And then powder, Wet n Wild, crushed it with this. Oh my God, that's what I have on right now. They killed it. I tried the Kosas one, pink powder. Wet n Wild's way better, and it's like a quarter of the price. I think this was like $6.99 and Kosas was, I don't know, $30. I like other Kosas products, but just the powder did not work for me. And then another face product, the Catrice Aqua Flash Grip Primer. For whatever reason, the Milk Makeup one pills on my skin, so I don't really like that one. So I never really got into the whole gripping primer. I was just like, oh, they're all gonna pill on me. So, but I did try this one recently. It's really good. It doesn't pill. It's like has a little tackiness, and it keeps your foundation on your skin. If you want a makeup setting spray, this Tier one is really great. It really sets your makeup. They call it a mask fit makeup fixer. So it's supposed to have a blurring effect, moist finish, long lasting, and it does all of that. You can buy this on Amazon. I will have everything linked in the description below, so check it out. I'll show you a little like snippet of how to get there. So there are quite a few lip products actually, which are perfect for summer. I'm not really a matte lip girl anyways, but Highend Merit lip liners. Love. These are so good. They're super forgiving. Lips, I'm not the best at, so they're very creamy. This is the shade Bespoke. I think this one is my favorite. It's more of like a nude color. And then I got also Beverly Hills, which is more of like a pink color. And then I did get the lip gloss that they came out with, which is really great too. And this is the shade Pointel. And Merit is clean beauty, very beginner friendly. So Pointel goes with both of these, which is perfect. So. And then Rare Beauty. Love this gloss. I'll put a little bit on actually. This is definitely like a more natural color. And then Rare Beauty Gloss. This is the color Nearly Rose. It's like just enough color, not too glossy, but I love the way my lips look every time I use it. So, and I love the color, this specific color. And for Drugstore, e.l.f. came out with some new lip glosses. These are almost like a chapstick / lip gloss. People say that they're like a dupe for the Summer Fridays. These are more pigmented. So I did do a video using this one, and this is Vanilla Toffee. It smells so good. It's perfect. You just throw it in your purse, and you want to keep your lips hydrated for summer. And then Sephora, they came out with a bunch of new lip glosses. This is the shade Confident. It's like a peachy color. They're glossy, they're not goopy, and they're super affordable. Even though you can't buy it at this drugstore, it's drugstore price. And then Vitamasks, they came out similar like with the Summer Fridays. Love these. I have a bunch of them. I have a couple flavors. This is caramel. I have a vanilla one. And it's just like a touch of color, but love it. This is like an extra that I have. I've been using it a lot. And I actually gave away, Vitamasks did send me some products, so I have multiple, and I gave away a bunch to my friends, and they all text me saying that they love the product. So not just me, a lot of people are liking it. And then they also did come out with a lip oil gloss. It's Glow Lip Oil, and this is Strawberry Glaze. It has that like big doe foot applicator, just a hint of color, super glossy, again, perfect for summer. Oh, I forgot 2 other things. Eyelashes. Everybody always asks what eyelashes I'm wearing, especially if you have hooded eyes. These ones from Amazon that I got, they're new, or like new to me. I've been loving, I have them on right now. I love the way that they look. They're not too big that you can't see like my eyeshadow look that I just did, but it opens up your eyes, and they're not too like thick. So really love these. I'll link them below, and I will link them in my Amazon storefront. Also, Victoria Beckham, the brushes, they're so good. So expensive, but if you want to splurge or you're looking to treat yourself, these are really amazing. I also got these sunglasses from Amazon. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on trendy sunglasses, so I just got these. I'll link these in my Amazon storefront as well. And they sit well on your hair. If you have long hair, you know that can be a struggle when you take them off. It like gets stuck in your hair. Those are my May favorites. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe for more makeup tutorials and more product reviews. If you want to see a video of all my favorite hooded eye eyelashes, I will link it above and below.